Hey everybody! In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to hide Instagram posts from your public profile without deleting them. So if you have an Instagram post that you don't want to show to the public anymore, but you don't want to delete it, so save the engagement and see the comments later also, then this is how you can do it. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about hiding an Instagram post, then check out our comprehensive blog post on roihacks.com, where we also show you this process with screenshots and share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. And you can also find hundreds of tutorials on social media and Instagram marketing for absolutely free there. Links to the blog post and other free resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website roihacks.com, as we are currently giving it away for free. With this free Instagram profile growth checklist, you're going to be able to audit the setup of your Instagram profile, get tips to improve your Insta posts. You're also going to get access to our Instagram engagement tactics. And last but not least, you're also going to get our Instagram profile promotion tactics that actually work to get you more Instagram likes and followers. Links to the free 44-point checklist is in the description below. So if you want to hide an Instagram post, all you have to do is open up your Instagram profile, then select the post that you want to hide. So let's say this one. Select it, then click on this three dots here in the top right corner and select here Archive. So as you can see, you can also delete it, but this is different from hiding it, the post, or archiving it. So select this one, and now if we go back to our profile, as you can see, that post has disappeared, but it hasn't been deleted. So if you want to check out that post, all you have to do is click on the menu bar here and select Archive here. And here you're going to be able to see all the posts that have been archived. And if you want to show it to the public again, or you want that photo to show up again on your profile, then and click on the three dots again and select show on profile, or you can also delete it if you want to do so. But if you quick select profile, go back to our Insta profile, then you can see and refresh it, and you can see that the post is again visible on the Instagram profile. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.